Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're someone who truly appreciates pure, high-fidelity sound, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO turntable might just be the upgrade your vinyl setup deserves. And if you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Let's dive into what makes this turntable an audiophile favorite. The Debut Carbon EVO takes everything Pro-Ject is known for and refines it into a sleek, modern design. Right out of the box, it's ready to deliver a rich, warm analog experience that brings your records to life like never before. The heart of this turntable is its precision-engineered 8.6-inch carbon fiber tonearm. This one-piece tonearm, complete with an integrated head shell, is designed to minimize resonance and extract every last detail from your vinyl grooves. Paired with the factory-mounted Sumiko Rainier Phono cartridge, you're getting crystal-clear playback that captures every nuance of your favorite tracks. The heavy 1.7 kilogram stamp steel platter is another standout feature. It's equipped with TP damping to reduce unwanted vibrations, ensuring rock-solid stability and consistent playback speed. Whether you're spinning old classics or new pressings, you'll notice how clean and precise everything sounds. Changing speeds is effortless thanks to its electronic speed selection system. Switch between 33 and 45 revolutions per minute with the touch of a button. And yes, it's even 78 revolutions per minute capable with an optional belt and stylus. It's designed for convenience without compromising on performance. The Debut Carbon EVO isn't just about sound, though. Its high-gloss black finish gives it a timeless, elegant look that fits seamlessly into any setup. It's built to last, designed to perform, and crafted for those who value quality listening experiences. If you've been searching for a turntable that delivers authentic analog performance, precision engineering, and stunning design all in one package, this is it, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. Check it out for yourself through the link below.